Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today I will be unboxing my newest bag and my very first bag purchase of 2025. It is from a brand that I've been very interested in lately. Many of you have probably noticed I've been talking about Saint Laurent a lot. They do have new packaging as well, so I'm excited to show you what I picked up. And yeah, this might be a bag from my wish list. Keep watching if you're interested. I cannot wait to show you my new bag, and also it is a color that I've been really wanting to add to my collection. I don't have anything like it. Also, I've never seen this style in this color in person, so I can't wait to show you and style it up. And yes, I will style it up with some new pieces that I picked up from Lilysilk. That's also what I'm wearing, a full Lilysilk look, and this is probably one of my favorite, but I can't wait to show you all the other pieces I picked up as well. Lilysilk is a brand that I love because they have a really beautiful classic pieces that you can add to your capsule collection and you can have for years. The quality is unmatched, especially when it comes to their silks, because that's what they specialize in. They have the most amazing, highest quality mulberry silk products. I really wanted to upgrade my capsule transitional spring wardrobe, and Lilysilk is my go-to place for classic elevated pieces. So I am wearing one of their newest blazers. It comes in 3 colors. It was really hard to pick a color, but I decided to go for the grey, and I also picked up a matching pair of pants. I love wearing the 2 pieces together. It definitely gives a very like strong, independent woman vibe, and I love that. It is great to wear to the office, but also you can wear it separately, just the blazer with a pair of jeans or leggings, and the trousers with a cozy coat paired with this turtleneck, for example. Both the trouser and the blazer are a silk wool blend, and it feels amazing on the skin. It is so lightweight, so perfect for the transitional period, but also you can layer with some of the Lilysilk knits under. I am currently wearing one of their silk sleeveless turtleneck tops, and they also come in a variety of different colors. This one is 75% mulberry silk, and again it feels amazing. It is such high quality top, a piece that you can style in so many different ways. It is very versatile. It definitely elevates a look, but you can style it more casual. It is great for layering as well. It gives very minimalistic vibes, and it is a core piece for your capsule wardrobe, so highly recommend. Also, I picked up a very similar top, but this time silk cashmere blend. First, look at the color of this. Isn't it so perfect? Beautiful, neutral. This is actually the same color as my Birkin. I can't wait to style them together as well. But also with this grey suit, it matches perfectly. So this, I love the fabric. It is very stretchy, lightweight. I really love Lilysilk's silk cashmere blends because they're very breathable but warm at the same time, and this is another great transitional piece to have. Also, I think the sleeveless design is very classic and timeless and very chic. It definitely gives very chic vibes. You have this ultra soft and sleek texture because of the exquisite blend of the materials. So yeah, both these tops work as great bases for all the looks. I also picked up another pair of trousers in a beautiful neutral color that will go with everything again, and I think with the bag as well it will be such a nice look, which you can see later. The tailoring of Lilysilk is honestly so amazing when it comes to blazers and trousers. When I'm looking for a good pair of trousers, I always go to Lilysilk because I know they fit so well. Yeah, just the overall feel, the look is so flattering, and also with Lilysilk you always get that very chic minimalistic aesthetic. Many of their fabrics and silks are also machine washable, which definitely makes life easier. I picked up 2 more pieces from Lilysilk, but before I continue, I really want to unbox the bag first and style these 2 pieces with the bag because I think they will match so perfectly, so keep watching. And also I do have a discount code for Lilysilk, which I'll leave here on the screen if you're interested, and all the pieces that I'm styling and showing you in today's video will be linked down below in the description box, so do check them out. Alright, let me unbox my new Saint Laurent bag. Do you guys have any guesses? By the way, they do have new packaging. How many of you noticed? It is white. The packaging before used to be like shiny black, and I don't know, I think I might prefer the old packaging to the new one. Alright, so here is the bag inside. Ooh, the strap is out, so you probably saw the color. We do have a little booklet with the certificate of authenticity, and I picked up, I told you guys I haven't seen it in person, we have the super hot Gabby Vanity in khaki. Wow, this color. I think it looks amazing on the viewfinder from what I can see. I love it. Oh my god. I initially was after another one that I mentioned in my wish list that I uploaded beginning of the year, back in January. I uploaded my 2025 wish list video and I mentioned the Gabby Vanity. I was very interested in this bag. I've been eyeing it since last year actually, and do you know what, I'm glad I was patient because now they released it in more colors. It actually became so popular. This is Saint Laurent's probably hottest bag right now, and I'm glad I waited. They didn't have this color before, they just had the classic black and I think beige, and after that they started releasing it in more colors. So initially I was after the patent leather cognac color, but that one I think I missed on. It's sold out. I did find it on one website only, but the price was a lot more expensive, and honestly for a Saint Laurent bag I didn't want to pay a premium price. Plus it was coming from the US and I had to pay additional import fees, so I gave up on the bag. I missed on it, but to be honest, when I saw this color, I absolutely fell in love. It is a new release, and recently I have been so obsessed with everything khaki. It is a color that I do not have in my bag collection, and it is actually much easier to style than that patent cognac color I wanted to pick up initially. It's a stunning color, but I think it could have been a bit trickier to style, and I think I definitely would wear this one a lot more. It goes with greys, with beiges, so even with my new Lilysilk suit, this, look how nice it matches. I'll style the bag with the suit so you can see. So as I mentioned, it does come with a long strap which goes crossbody perfectly on me. It is a really great length. I will actually leave it on the longest setting so you can see, but you can shorten it and wear it as a shoulder bag. I love the aged gold hardware as well. I think it's so beautiful against the khaki, and I also believe the Gabby Vanity only comes with this aged gold hardware. I haven't seen it with shiny gold hardware or silver hardware yet, but who knows, maybe they'll release it soon because this has been a very popular style. So yeah, this is the strap and you attach it right here on the top. I do like it as a top handle bag without the strap. It looks so cute. Also we have 2 zippers. Let's actually open up the bag and have a look inside quickly. It is quite roomy. Oh, it is all stuffed with papers. So yeah, this is the bag inside, and my phone. I have the iPhone 15 Pro, not the Max. A Max will definitely fit very comfortably. As you can see, there is plenty of space. Ooh, also inside we have a slot for one card at the back if you want to save space and not carry a card holder with you. Let me just leave the zips on the side so we can see the YSL logo on the front. I think I'll always actually leave the zippers on the side. I think it looks better, a bit cleaner look as well. So this I wanted to style with my other Lilysilk pieces that I picked up, and I picked up this really beautiful green cardigan. Oh my god, it is the coziest, softest cardigan I own. It is a maxi cardigan. It feels like a hug. Honestly, it feels like a blanket. It is so warm, so comfortable, but at the same time lightweight, and I think styled together with the bag it will be such a gorgeous look for the transitional period again. So for this cardigan we have the golden ratio, 70-30, 70% merino wool, 30% cashmere. We have the beautiful softness of the cashmere and the strength of merino wool. The folded collar and cuffs give that hint of refined sophistication as well. We do have pockets, so very functional. And yeah, again, it adds this classic aesthetic charm. It definitely carries year-round comfort. You can use it in the summer evenings or in the autumn for the transitional periods. Also, you can wrap yourself and feel super cozy at home. You can use it for traveling. It is such a great piece to have. And last, I want to show you a dress that I picked up. I honestly am getting so excited for the warmer days. As soon as I saw it on the website, I fell in love. First with the color, second because of the style. It is a style of dress that I absolutely love. Maxi, beautiful, belted, with short sleeve, and it is pure silk. It is the most beautiful silk. It is the signature Lilysilk fabric, and because of the unique weaving technique that they use, it creates a smooth pearl-like gloss luster. It is so breathable. Also, silk is hypoallergenic, moisture retaining. It drapes so beautifully. I love the belt because it cinches you in, but again you can see the fluidity of the fabric, the way it moves. It is honestly so mesmerizing to look at. There is so much fabric on the bottom. Also, you can see that radiant sheen of the fabric. This is such a timeless chic design. I am obsessed and I can't wait to wear it in these summer months, styled with my new Saint Laurent bag. I think they match perfectly. It is the most perfect combo. I think this is the right style of bag for this dress. It is such a versatile little bag, and it transitions really well from day to night. You can definitely use this as an evening bag, especially if you get it in black. I'm glad I ticked off this bag from my wish list, and also the color. Khaki, finally, a khaki bag. This vanity pochette style is also super hot right now, but at the same time it gives very timeless classic vibes. The bag feels amazing, the quality is so good, and it is such a reasonably priced bag. It is under £2,000. It is actually 1,580 if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, I love the quality of the leather. It is beautiful lambskin. I love the quilted stitching. I think it really suits the bag. But also they do have an option without the stitching, but I believe in patent leather in black. I'll link them down below. I'll link my favorite Gabby bags down below in the description box for you to check them out. The YSL logo on the front is also so iconic and timeless. I think this bag will accommodate all your small essentials, so for an everyday bag it does work perfectly. As you saw, it fits my phone, it fits a card holder, keys. So I'm just checking the exact measurements of the bag online. It is 11 centimeters or 4.3 inches tall, so that's the height of the bag, and width we have 18 centimeters or 7.1 inches wide. So yeah, perfect size, don't you guys think? It's not too small, it's not too big. It is so cute as an everyday bag. It is actually, I would say, an equivalent size to the Chanel mini rectangle. Yeah, the sizes look quite similar. So first impressions, I love it. I think I would really enjoy wearing this bag. I'm glad I picked it up. I think the price again is so reasonable for YSL, and yeah, I can't wait to start using it and maybe give you a review if you're interested. Let me know what you think. Alright guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed today's bag unboxing. Let me know your thoughts. Do you like the bag? Also, what do you think about the Lilysilk pieces that I picked up? Which one is your favorite? Do check out the description box with all the information, discount codes and links to all products as well. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I would really appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up because it really helps the YouTube algorithm. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!